Social Science, Grade 8, Block 15, The Parliamentary System, LP3, The Role of an MP by teacher Shikha. Today in this video, students will be able to examine the role of the Member of Parliament MP in the functioning of the government. Children, what do we expect our elected leaders to do? So today we will learn about the responsibilities and functions of the members of Parliament MP in the Lok Sabha. Children, please read case study from the text Question R in Lok Sabha from your content book. Read the conversation Question R in Lok Sabha. After reading, now let's discuss the activity. Who are asking questions? To whom? Where? What are the questions about? Why are they being asked? Why are ministers responding to these questions? What would your question be on the same issue if you were an MP? The members of parliament from the opposition parties are asking questions to the government during the question hour in the Lok Sabha. The questions deal with the problems of rising price in the country. The MPs want to know why nothing is being done to bring down the price of food grains. The ministers are bound to answer these questions because they are accountable for their actions and policies, and the MPs as elected representatives are free to ask these questions to them. Children, please look at the chart. Let's read. Role: Members of Parliament, MP, elected by people, guides and informs the government, asks questions to ministers, can pass a vote of no confidence against government, makes the government accountable to people, keeps a check on the government. So children, what does an MP do as an elected representative? How do they control the government as elected representatives? Why is it necessary to have the parliament to control the executive? As an elected representative, an MP from any party can raise questions in the Lok Sabha on any issue. Through these questions, they can seek any information from the ministers about the working of the government and also highlight any shortcoming of the government. An MP can also pass a vote of no confidence if he or she doesn't support the government. In this way, they control the executive. As elected representatives in a democracy, it is necessary for MPs to control, guide, and keep the government informed so that the government is accountable to the people and does not misuse the power. So, children, under what circumstances will the question hour in the Lok Sabha not serve its purpose? The question hour could be ineffective if MPs don't attend the Lok Sabha meetings, if there is chaos during the meetings, or if there isn't enough time to answer all the questions raised by the MPs. So children, now it's time for some application. Please try to solve your worksheet on your own and read the content book thoroughly. I hope the topic is clear to you, as students should be able to identify Member of Parliament, can examine the role of Member of Parliament in the functioning of the government. Additionally, students should be able to understand the qualities needed for an MP. Have a great day ahead, children. Take care of yourself. Thank you.